Hello everyone, my name is Swapnil and you are watching Infinity CAD. This is SolidWorks exercise number 6 and in this exercise we will create this component. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe us. So let's get started. So this is our sketch. With the reference of this sketch we will create the component. In this sketch we have given two views. This is a front view and this is side view. In this front view you can see we have given one circle of diameter 10 mm. The total length of this rod is 96 mm. The length of this needle-like portion is 30 mm. This is given to us 8 mm. We have given a diameter of 11 mm and diameter of 15 mm. Here is one fillet of radius 3 mm and there is one arc of radius 180 mm. So this is our front view, and first of all we'll start with this front view. Before starting, let's check our units are in mmgs. These are in mmgs, so it is okay. First, let's select front plane and sketch. First, let's draw one center line. Select a center line. Draw one horizontal line of distance 96 mm. Then we'll draw our sketch, just like this. This distance vertically it is 5 mm. Horizontally 9 mm. Again there is one circle of radius 3 mm which is up to here. This is 5.5 mm. Again draw one line from this point. Vertically it is 5 mm. As you can see, we have drawn one our line of 5 mm and 5.5 mm. As it is, you can see we have given one diameter of 11 mm. So distance from this center point to over here will be 5.5 mm and this line will be of 5 mm. This distance is 9 mm that we have given. We have given radius. Now we will create our arc of radius 12 mm, which is at a distance of 1.5 mm from this center point and 12 mm from this line. So let's select a line, draw one horizontal line of 12 mm and vertically it is 1.5 mm and select OK. Now select a center point arc, select this center point and select this end point. Draw one arc like this, select OK. Now we have to create one arc between these two arcs of radius 180 mm. So from here select tangent arc. So select this point and select this end point. Select OK. Now we will assign some relations to this sketch. This arc and this arc are tangent to each other. Select OK. As well as this arc and this arc will be tangent. Now let's assign some dimensions to this sketch. As you can see, this is 5.5 mm. This distance will be of 9 mm. This radius will be of 3 mm. Arc will be of radius 180 mm. This radius will be of 12 mm. Distance from here to here will be 12 mm. Distance between these two points will be 96 mm. Okay. This distance is 12 mm. This point and center point and this point. Make them vertical and select OK. So now our sketch is fully defined. Let's trim this entity first. And make it for construction. Select OK. So now our sketch is fully defined. So we can proceed further for the Revolve wash base. So select from your Revolve wash base and select yes. From selected counters, select this face, select axis of revolution this and select OK. As you can see, our handle is ready. Now we will proceed further for our needle. We will select this face and sketch. On this face, we have to create one rectangle or one square of 2.5 mm. So from here, select center point. From here, select center rectangle. Select the center point. 2.5 by 2.5 mm. Select OK. Let's extrude it. The distance will be 38 mm. Select OK. Now we have to create this needle-like portion which is at a distance of 8 mm from this point. From here, select this face and sketch. Select convert entities. Select this face. OK. Now let's draw one center line. Give a distance of 8 mm. And vertically it is like this. Okay. Now from this center point, from this point to this center point, and from this center point to over here, we'll create one sketch like this. Let's trim this outer portion. Select OK. Again go to Extruded Cut. Select this face and this face. Line, give it a distance of 20 mm. Select OK. Now again let's rotate this. Now select this face and sketch. Again select convert entities, select this face, OK. Now let's draw one line from this point to the center point of this line and from here to here. Select OK. Now again go to Extruded Cut and select this face and this face. Select OK. So now our needle is also ready. Now let's assign some material to this handle. Select this Revolve. Select appearance. Go to organic and wood. Select from your polished beach 2D. Double click on it. The material is assigned. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. If you think that this video has given you some knowledge, then just go and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.